ID card. I'm supposed to have rules and regulations on the back, and I'm like the only one that doesn't have it. Anyways, what was that? What was I gonna say? Anyways, pencil. I'm gonna show you all my school stuff, but don't make fun of me because I'm bored and I'm about to go somewhere. But yeah. Uh-oh, it's gonna die. I have to hurry up. Well, I have world history. Yes, I have world history. I have Society Middle School. I have a notebook. I have green paper thingy. I have pre-algebra thingy. I have white paper thingy. And that's it. All my classes. The stuff on my pictures. I have to hit it because the battery's gonna die. Another notebook. Pre-algebra textbook. Mouse. Backpack. Airwalks. Skinny jeans. T-shirt. Me. And eyes. Anyways, what did I put down?